Hello everyone, welcome back to Layman Solution. In this video, we are gonna see what you can do when your Instagram direct messages doesn't work. The first thing that you should check when you ended up having this kind of issue is if your phone has a good internet connection or not. After checking your internet connection, look if your Instagram app is up to date. To check if your app is up to date or not, click on Play Store, search Instagram. Here Instagram is not up to date. Click on update option given here. Log out of your Instagram account. To log out of your Instagram account, follow the given step. Click on profile icon at the bottom. Then click on the menu bar option. Go to settings. Pull down to log out of my account here. Click on the check option. After this, click on logout. After clicking on logout, you will get logged out of your account. Once you are logged out of your account, and then once again start your Instagram app, click on login. If you have the same problem that you were facing earlier, if not, then congratulations, your problem is solved. But if the problem still continues, then check if you are blocked on Instagram or not by that person. There are huge chances that you are blocked by the person, and because of which you are not able to send the message. Go to the setting option, search for app. Click on storage. Now here's the caches option. Click on clear caches option. After clearing your caches, there are possibilities that you will get logged out of your account. If the problem still persists and you don't know what to do, then there must be problem in Instagram server. For that, we have to report the problem to Instagram. So this was the video. I hope your problem is solved now. But if you have any query, you can ask that in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video.